How to fix touch not working problem in Samsung device. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your settings. After that, go all the way down and then go to about phone. Now you will see the option reset. Then tap and reset all settings. But before that, make sure you do not have a pending software update. Sometimes this problem occurs when your software is not up to date. So make sure your software is updated. After that, if the problem still prevails, reset your device or simply restart your device for some time. Next option is make sure your touch interactions are high. Simply search for touch and then in this display simply enable touch sensitivity and you will be done. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.